previously on Lost.
Where am I? I'm scared of it. Submerged superstructure. So we're just gonna go and see how Pebbles is doing. Your anti-gravity isn't working. I ask you this, remove the cell from its chamber and bring it so far east to a friend, if she is somehow still alive. Once the cell has been removed, my structure will begin shutting down. The pumps that allow me to flush through the cave from the conduit will stop and I will slowly die. Cycle 43, the rot. Oh my god. I'm in his cavities. Holy shit, Jesus. That better not be one hatching right now. How are there plants growing through here? What is wrong with those neurons? Like, it's such a unique character design and concept, the Daddy Longlegs. They did a great job of making them be, like, as horrifying as possible. And not even just horrifying, just disgusting. Like, it's so... It feels like an infection, me looking at it. Linear systems rail. Okay. So this is probably where I need to be then. Oof. That's intimidating. Yeah, that's really cute, guys. Well, this is really interesting. This isn't at all what I expected to go through. He wants me to just fucking kill him. Is this part of the timeline, or is this a different timeline? What happens here? I'm genuinely curious. How does me eating brain cells make me a monk? I wonder what happens if I bring that pearl to Moon. His little pearl. Nothing good, probably. Or nothing, you know, good from her. She'd probably think that I killed him or something. Ugh. This is ominous. Let there be lift. Oh god, you can see it fucking decaying, his insides. That's gross. Ugh. Ooh. Oh. The depths. Did I just hear a fucking scavenger? This is... I can't... I'm sorry I'm at like a loss for words right now, but like... Oh my god, that's a big boy. Yeah, this isn't fucking scary at all. Yeah, the whole facility is just rotted. It's so decayed. It looks like there's like even Big Daddy's just engraved in the fucking wall. Like the fucking background. Ooh. Why is that one purple? No, thank you. What the fuck was that? Why was that one purple? Unless that was just like the shading of it. Am I fucking Tarzan now with the fucking cavity that he's got? God, that goes up further. Where the fuck could that go? Whatever. I don't want to know. What is that? Huh? Sandbox item for what? What did I just unlock? I don't know how the hell I'm supposed to navigate through this hellhole. Whoa. Definitely doing a good job of, explaining to me how bad the infection is. Shit. Alright, okay, save station that isn't there. Oh yeah, this feels safe. Definitely don't feel like I'm being watched in my sleep. So I'm assuming this core thing is in the depths because it's in the core. Hi, buddy. Hostile! Wow, really? I didn't realize that. I miss my friends. I miss my friends, the scavengers. Because, you know, those guys are my friends, right? Remember? Assuming that I go down here, this will just go. What the fuck? No. No, thank you. Goodbye. Farewell. Sayonara. So there is a new, or I guess old, breed of Longlegs. So we got Brother Longlegs, Daddy Longlegs, and whatever the fuck that thing is. I don't know. Bigger Longlegs? I don't know. I'm calling it Mommy Longlegs. But that's what it's actually called. I'm gonna laugh. Oh, I know this place. Oh my god. It's back. It's somewhere in the core of the facility. Probably not where I need to be right now, because I know this place is... Pretty sure this area leads to the exterior. I'm on an adventure in the robot brain. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's not good. Well... Oh. This map is fucking huge. Back to the rot, I see. Well, we can't be too far from it. Whatever this is. I'm pretty sure this leads back to the exterior. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this leads to the exterior. What? How? Okay. You know what? Whatever the hell this place is. God, all the fucking music in this place is so disturbing. But like, I love it, and I'm going to use it. This is all new places that I have not been before. Okay, do I know where that leads? I don't think I do. Let's just go find out. I am quite literally searching every nook and cranny of this place. You need to leave. Am I really gonna fall? Oh. Oh shit. I was just wandering around. Okay, how do I get to that, whatever the fuck that is? Ah. Ah! Okay. I have the orb. Okay, I have the orb. Now I have to bring this to Moon, I'm assuming. This looks a bit safer. I miss these pipes when there's nothing here. Huh. 5 Pebbles, recursive transform array. Okay, we're back in 5 Pebbles now. That's good. Maybe this will lead me back to outside. I don't really trust using the passages because I feel like if I try to teleport somewhere, it's not gonna take the orb with me. I like the ball. The ball is fun. It's not as fun as the little dudes, though. From Outer Expanse. I miss them. This is a long corridor. Where does this lead me? Oh! That scared me. I thought I was just falling into an abyss. God, finally. There's going to be a lot of footage that I cut out because, let's see, yeah, I've been stuck in this building, I'm counting, I've been stuck in 5 Pebbles looking for this thing and then looking for a way out for 3 hours. That's way longer than it needed to have taken me. I would love to leave. I long since missed the sound of a karma gate. Oh my god, food that isn't a fucking neuron. I've never heard of such a thing. Ugh. I've long since the taste of other foods. Big longy over there. Oh, for fuck's sake, come on. I do not need you right now. You wanna come through here? Come on through. Trade places with me. I have a great offer for you. It's called fucking off. Oh wait, is it down here? Is it down this one? Okay, it is this one. Oh my god. I'm free, kind of, sort of. Okay, so that doesn't lead where I want it to lead. I haven't seen any lizards yet. I honestly miss them. I miss other mobs. I think... God. This place is hell. I have to go down this way, it looks like. Doesn't make any sense, though. Oh. Okay. I'm trying to look at a map and I fall to my death. He's in the way. Never mind. He's no longer in the way. Alright. What? You said you wanted in. So we made it to the leg. That's good. That's some improvement. Made it to the leg. The leg's a bit easier to manage than the underhang, for me at least. God, my hands are so sweaty. That was really tense. That was really stressful. How should I go about doing this? You know what? I'm hungry. I've never actually had breakfast before. Okay, why do I suddenly have a lot of time? Why are my cycles just suddenly fine again? I'm both, like, relieved and not relieved that there's, like, pretty much only, daddy longlegs through here. It means just, like, I only have one real enemy to worry about. Granted, it's one of the worst things in the game, but it makes it a bit more predictable on what to expect, which is nice. It's open. That's new. Oh, that's why. I almost forgot. Okay, the memory crypts seem about the same. I've never exited the underhang before. God, the rats even managed to get through here. Is there even gonna be scissor birds? Oh, yellow. Oh, hi. Fancy seeing you here. I'm not used to... Oh. That's different. Huh, I guess that got washed out too. Yeah, at this point I really don't know if it's a prequel or a sequel. Because, like, it feels like a sequel. Because this has happened before. What's the cycle like? Yeah, again, it's big. Did me taking out the orb, like, fix the cycles? Ow, what the fuck? I gave that to you! I have a feeling that I know where I'm supposed to put this ball. I think that place that I went earlier, I went there a bit prematurely. Hey guys, I'm back. I took a little journey. I seem to swim faster when I have the orb, too. So that's good. That'll make traversing a lot easier. Alright, this leads... I don't remember. I don't remember. Oh, okay. Convenient. No sense of danger anywhere. I want to see what like... I know I'm probably supposed to bring this to her structure, but like... I want to know if she says anything particular to this. I know we're not supposed to take the cell overseer, okay? I want to see what she has to say about this, okay? Or if she says anything at all. It would make sense for her to say something about this. Hello again, little friend. Hi. Heavy rainfalls begin to recede. Yeah, I have. Wonder Hill's machinery finally has come to decay. He was in awful shape last I can remember. And even that was a long time ago. Perhaps he finally solved the riddle? For his sake, I hope so. Yeah. And in the end, everything reaches the conclusion of its journey. I'm not sure how many of us are even left in this world. A new cycle is already unfolding. One we need not be a part of. We long since served our purpose. However, as long as the microbes in my processes try to continue to function, I'll be here to talk. Look at this. Another gift? I'll take a look. It's so big compared to her. Oh, this is deeply concerning discovery. Do you have any idea what this is? Ball. No mass refraction cells. They are a type of backup energy source of power, superstructures in time of maintenance, construction, void fluid pipe ruptures, and other general power failures. I'm surprised I said all that. In the absence of our creators to replace deteriorating parts, these cells have become one of the major components that allow all of our facilities to remain powered. So they're backup generators. However, the fact that the cell is currently in my hands can only mean bad things for whoever this originally came from. I sure hope you weren't the one responsible for it becoming misplaced. I know firsthand the tragedy of losing power. In the wake of my accident, all of my refraction cells were dislodged on impact and washed away in the floodwaters. Oh, I'm sorry. This cell could be valuable to me. With my never mind, I can't read. With my umbilical severed, the overseer's running free, and all my facilities lying deep beneath large bodies of water because possible attacks scare the professional location. You might be able to find access shaft to my lower structure nearby, but I have no idea how much is left of it. Please be careful. What's Pebbles doing? I hope he's okay. Oh hey, a refraction cell. I sure hope you're not the one to have misplaced this. I don't think you were, though. Anyway, how's my brother doing? Okay, so I was right. I do need to take this thing to the core of the submerged superstructure. Alright, so into the structure we put this. I'm sure this place will be a lot more bearable to go through now that I have something that helps me swim a lot faster, and the rain has slowed down a bit. Can I go up here? What's up here? Nothing. You fool. Oh, you're coming with me. Okay. You can't get out of there. You're water-bound, idiot. Oh, I can actually see this place now. I've eaten enough brain cells I glow in the dark. I'm still not standing over that. I don't trust it. Back here again. Aren't you so glad? Oh, there's a spear in here.